If you're getting the resource download failed, try again. Error in Honkai. Star rail, then don't worry. Before making this video, I went through multiple Reddit discussions, Hoyo Lab posts, and community forums where many players reported experiencing the exact same issue. Some players said the download stopped during an update, while others couldn't even get past the resource download screen after launching the game. After reviewing those discussions, I found several solutions that were recommended repeatedly and helped many players fix the problem. So in this video, I'll walk you through the fixes that worked for the community. Make sure you watch until the end because the solution that works for one device may be different from the one that works for you. Let's get started. The first thing you should try is simply closing the game completely and launching it again. This might sound like a basic fix, but while going through Reddit discussions, I noticed that several players mentioned they had to restart the game multiple times before it finally got past a resource download screen. If you haven't already tried this, completely close the game and reopen it a few times before moving on to the next solution. If you're playing on PC, the next thing you should do is clear the game's download resource cache. Open the Hoyo Play launcher, then click the three-line menu next to the Start Game button. Select Game Settings, then open Advanced Settings. Here you'll find the option called Clear Download Resource Cache. Click on it and let the launcher remove any old or incomplete downloaded resources. This can help if the download failed because of corrupted update files. Once it's finished, launch the game again and check if the issue has been resolved. If you're playing on Android, open Settings, then go to Apps and search for Honkai, Star Rail. Tap on the game, then select Force Stop. After that, open Storage and tap Clear Cache. Many Android players reported that forcing the app to stop and clearing the cache fixed the resource download error without affecting their game progress. Once you've done that, launch the game again. While researching this issue, I also came across a Reddit discussion where several players mentioned that using a VPN temporarily solved the problem. One player explained that they enabled a VPN, entered the game, waited until the resources started loading, then turned the VPN back off, and the download completed successfully. Since this solution worked for multiple users, it's definitely worth trying if the previous methods didn't help. If using a VPN doesn't fix the issue, try switching to a different internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you're already using mobile data, try connecting to another Wi-Fi network. Many players reported that changing their network resolved the download error immediately. Another solution mentioned repeatedly in community discussions is repairing the game files. Open the Hoyo Play launcher, click the three-line menu, then select Repair or Verify Game Files, depending on the launcher version you're using. Allow the launcher to finish scanning and repairing the game before launching it again. If corrupted or missing game files are causing the download failure, this process should replace them automatically. If you're still getting the same error after trying every solution, let me know in the comments which device you're using and exactly where the download stops, and I'll do my best to help you out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming fixes and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.